Do you really think that you're doing bodybuilding for the right reasons? So what do you think? Is your bodybuilding is ego driven or driven with passion? So what do you think? Are you aiming yourself in the right direction? What is up YouTube? This is Abhishek Das. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been long, but I wanted always to come up with some useful content. So आज का जो टॉपिक है, I hope it is very much clear with the thumbnail. हम आज बात ट्रेनिंग पे, न्यूट्रिशन पे, what is right, what is scientifically right, इस बारे में बात नहीं करने पड़े. आज जो I want to talk about is the mindset. कि are you doing it for the right reasons? Are you really want to aiming for the bodybuilding thing? Do you really want to do it? All these questions. So इससे मैं कुछ अपने experience के हिसाब से what I've been through, because I've been through a lot. I've done a lot of mistakes, and I learned through it. And I have a base of knowledge which I want to share with you. So you can take out the pointers and relate to yourself कि आप सही दिशा में हो या सही दिशा में नहीं हो. So आज के vlog में जो difference है main, वो है opting bodybuilding as a lifestyle and opting bodybuilding as a sport. ठीक है? इसमें बहुत thin line है. बट और ये थिन लाइन की वजह से क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. हम फिटनेस से शुरू करते हैं बट हमें लगता है कि हम बॉडी बिल्डिंग भी कर सकते हैं. सो ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं व्हिच आई एम गोना गिव यू व्हिच विल हेल्प क्लियर योर माइंड अबाउट दिस. फिटनेस इज ऑल अबाउट यू. बॉडी बिल्डिंग इज अबाउट कंपीटिंग विद अदर्स. इट्स लाइक एप्पल एंड ऑरेंजेस. ठीक है, यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर बोथ. दूर से देखने में एट अ वाइडर स्पेक्ट्रम दोनों एक जैसे लगते हैं, बोथ आर फ्रूट, बट देन दोनों की बिल्कुल इंटेंसिटी and the nature of it is different, and you have to carry a different mindset over there and a very brutal mindset in bodybuilding. Bodybuilding doesn't allow you to make mistakes even if you want to, but here in this lifestyle, when it comes to lifestyle, it is already a flexible thing. कि lifestyle है कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे, you still carrying on with the same pace, but when you're bodybuilding, it is very very personal, it's very very spiritual, I will say, because I'm doing it and I know how it feels, and that is what I'm gonna tell you, and we'll carry on with the video and see you next. So if you see, whether in a lifestyle, bodybuilding दोनों ही है. ठीक है, bodybuilding का मतलब you are building your body up. ठीक है, अब वो उसका मोटिव दूसरा है. वहाँ आप compete कर रहे हो वर्ल्ड से और यहाँ पे compete कर रहे हो अपने आप से. For example, here you are trying to better yourself genetically. ठीक है, genetics है, उसको use कर रहे हो, उसको better कर रहे हो. वहाँ पे क्या होता है, you are fighting against the other genetical gifted guys or who are working very hard on their genetics. So यहाँ genetics अपने आप से fight कर रहे हो. वहाँ पे you are fighting with the world. If they are bringing something new, something more, bigger on the table, more intense, आपके पास choice नहीं है. If you are a competitor, if you want to beat them, you have to bring out better. उसके लिए you need a lot of sacrifices, because when the passion comes, passion I think is a Latin word, और passion का मतलब होता है sufferance. Passion comes with sufferance. If you are passionate about something, you have to suffer. But यहाँ पे lifestyle में you can take a notch or very, मैंने बोला both are very different. बिल्कुल अलग mindset है. यहाँ पे you can be a little flexible. यहाँ पे कोई flexibility नहीं रहती है. Hey YouTube, so here we are after the workout. Just ignore the songs if you may. वीडियो कंक्लूड करते हैं. आई वुड जस्ट वांट टू सेंड अ मैसेज टू एवरीबॉडी. फाइंड योर पर्पस गाइस. It's all about purpose. Why you want to do it? Why you want to be a bodybuilder, or why you want to be a influencer, or any
think related to sculpting your body, getting better by yourself. Find out the right purpose, because अगर intention right नहीं हुई, whether if you're aiming to be a bodybuilder or something else, you will never reach to the end. Purpose से exactly is, it should be by your heart, not just by the rewards you're getting out of it. क्या famous हो रही हो, आप दिखने में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, but उसके contrast में you are losing something else. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. Your health, your relationships, your family. So if you are making that strong commitment, it has to be very very strong. तभी वो लंबा कंटिन्यू कर पाओगे. बिकॉज अगर लगेगा शायद मैं करके देखता हूँ, होगा नहीं होगा, एवरीथिंग नीड्स अ प्लान. प्लान आता है आफ्टर योर कमिटमेंट, आफ्टर योर आफ्टर यू फाइंड योर पर्पस. So find your purpose, then you can move along. I hope you like this video today and all the insights I've given you. See you on the other side. Take care. Please subscribe to the channel.